In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your browsing experience by installing an extension in Google Chrome. Extensions are a fantastic way to add more functionality and customize your browser to better suit your needs. So, let's dive into the process and smoothly guide you through each step. First things first, we need to open Google Chrome. You likely already have this installed on your computer, so go ahead and launch it. If Chrome is your default browser, you might already be accustomed to its clean interface and its excellent speed. Now, take a look at the top right corner of your Chrome browser, and you're going to spot 3 vertical dots lined up nicely. These are your gateway to additional settings and options within the browser. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. Once you've clicked them, a drop-down menu will appear with a variety of options. From this menu, navigate your way down to the Extensions section. Click on it, and you'll be directed towards another window that provides an overview of the extensions you already have installed. Here's where the real magic begins. Within the Extensions section, there's an option that says Visit Chrome Web Store. This is your next destination. With a click, it will seamlessly guide you to the Chrome Web Store, which is your one-stop shop for everything extension related. At the Chrome Web Store, you'll find an immensely wide array of extensions designed for multiple purposes, from productivity enhancers and ad blockers to shopping assistants and entertainment tools. Think about what you might need. Once you've narrowed it down, just type the name of the extension you're interested in into the search bar and press enter. It might take a second or two, but soon enough you'll see a list of search results populating your screen. Scrolling through the results, find the exact extension you want, and then click on Add to Chrome. This button is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to locate. Now, your browser will prompt you for permission to add the extension. This is a crucial step as it ensures you're aware of what you're installing and its relevancy to your online activities. Carefully read the notification, and if you're confident it's the right choice for you, go ahead and click on the Add Extension button. With that click, the extension begins its installation process, a process that usually happens within seconds. And just like that, you've successfully installed an extension on Google Chrome. With your new extension ready and set up, your browsing experience should now be more tailored and efficient, giving you more control over how you interact with the web. It's remarkable what these small yet powerful tools can do to enhance productivity or simply make your internet surfing more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring the capabilities of your newly installed extension.